Welcome to this step-by-step guide on creating a demo or a test tenant using Microsoft's Customer Digital Experience or CDX Portal. Step 1. Create a new tenant. Start by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to cdxtransform.microsoft.com. I have also posted that in description.
And here you need to sign it with your Microsoft account. That should be your corporate account from your company. And after signing in and doing multi-factor that I am currently done, you will be redirected to the portal where you can see that Microsoft Customer Digital Experiences. And here you have multiple options. As you can see that there are demos and there are other things like videos and tutorials that are available there. And there are many things that are available on that portal, but for the purpose of this video, we will just focus on demo tenant or test tenant, that if you want to call it that way. And let me click on the demo, and then you will see that the tenant there. And as you can see in my environment, at the moment I don't have any tenant configured with that account. So let's just start. It is just simple. You just have to go to the create button, and then from there you have an option for a time being. Microsoft has offer 5 tenant for 90 days and 1 tenant for 1 year. But at the moment they have changed that, and for me currently it's just 1 tenant that is available at the moment now. So there are multiple options to choose which list licenses you want to use. There are education licenses, there are licenses that are available for particular things like Dynamics and so. But for my case, I will choose the Microsoft 365 E5 and enterprise license. I think that will be including most of the things that we want to test inside my tenant. So let's get started with the create tenant. As you can see on the right side of the screen, terms and conditions, I have to accept that. So after that, it will create a new tenant pre-populated with all the data that we have to use, so you don't have to use it anything manually. And the licenses are also available in the tenant, so you can assign those licenses to user. And most of the user will have mailboxes and OneDrives and everything ready when you start the tenant. So the tenant is getting ready. As you can see, the tenant is you can see the tenant name and the other information here that will be provided on the both sides. The next step would be admin and user credential. As you can see on the left side, we can see the tenant information and which licenses it has. It's a Microsoft 365 Enterprise. So contact will be in the, and there will be a period of 90 days that it will be available. After that, the tenant won't be available. On the right side, you can see the name of the admin and the password, and that goes same with the users that are pre-populated there. So you can save that username and password anywhere so that you can use that to access the admin portal. So I'm going to copy paste these two and save it somewhere like in KeePass, and that will be used. The password for all users is same, so you can copy usernames or emails of all user, and the password will be same. Log into your admin account. So if you are familiar with the Microsoft, that shouldn't be a problem. Login.microsoft.com, and there you can give your admin name, and then you have to provide the password. And since the security default are enabled by default for Microsoft, you have to provide the multi-factor. So you have to add your authenticator app or any other way so that you can confirm the multi-factor authentication. So I'm using Microsoft Authenticator on my mobile tool. So you can configure that by scanning your app, and then you have to confirm your code. So the Authenticator app is already set up. So we move to the next thing. That will be the admin portal. So as you can see that I am on the office.com portal. From there you can access the admin portal, and from here on you can have the access to all the admin portal that are available there. You can see all the users that are pre-populated. So the users, some users are assigned with the license, other are not. So there are 25 licenses that are available with that subscription, and you can assign those. There are 20 licenses, so I think they have made some changes now. But these licenses can be assigned to any user, and you can test anything that you want to. There are other admin portals that have shown like security, compliance, and Intune. If you want, you can access that from there. So thank you everyone for watching the video. Please provide your feedback, and if you have any question regarding that, you can also post that in comment section, and I will try to answer that as soon as possible. And I will be making other videos regarding Asia and Microsoft 365. If you are interested in that, please follow and like and share. And thank you for support. Thank you. Bye bye.